Hello guys, today I will teach you how to install any apps like Play Store, how you are installing on mobile phone, same way without going any browser or any type of browser on computer. It's very simple and easy way. Go and search, click on search button and search Microsoft Store and now click on open. It will start in few seconds. And what you want to download the app, select that app, or you can search here in a game if you want to download it in game, any type of game, or it's a paid version. You can also game, yeah, this Monopoly. If you want to install, click on this and select on get. Okay, that's to how to install. Sorry for the background noise. Click install. It will start downloading in a few seconds. It will take few seconds for installing according to the network. I'm pausing now, recording. It's almost done. You can see it is installed and click on launch. Now the game is installed. Like this also you can. It's very easy and very simple way to install any games from Microsoft Store like Play Store, mobile phone, however. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting like these videos. Thank you.